Alright guys, so today we're going to be talking about the new Discord server. So let's jump right into it. So this is the new Discord, it's called Timeless. This Discord is specifically education-based Discord, okay? We will not be doing any live trading in it, but first of all, just stick with it. Stick with watching this video. We're going to explain everything you get with the Discord and why you may be interested in the Discord, okay? So first, when you enter the Discord, you're going to be seeing this welcome page and the all members tab, okay? And if you want to gain access to this section, you're going to have to go to this memberships tab, okay? Click this link right here, and it's going to bring you up to this page, okay? This is where you're going to purchase your membership. It's $50 a month. You can also pay ahead 3 months. It's a little cheaper, okay? And what's included with the Discord, just on here, a supply and demand course. So this Discord is not specifically for Polarity ATI, okay? We will be covering stuff with Polarity ATI, but it is not specifically for that, okay? This is to help you become a profitable trader in everything, okay? If you want to do supply and demand, if you want to learn how to trade ICT concepts, if you want to learn more about Polarity, that's what this Discord is about, right? So we have a 5-hour course, which is usually $450 that I charge, and you get that for free with this. So these are all the videos that are in this course, okay? There's 32 videos. We go over regular basics, candlesticks, chart patterns, prop firms, supply and demand basics, some psychology, how to chart demand zones, supply zones, how to play when to enter them, pre-market routines, all this stuff is in this course, okay? It's all included in the Discord. We also are doing daily updates. So you're going to get my supply and demand zones every day, which are going to be in this daily plan section. So you're going to get key levels to watch, right? I'm going to send a picture. You get key levels to watch so you can put them on your chart. I'm going to be giving my suggestion for Polarity ATI to start in trend mode, regression mode, why or why not, okay? Then I'm also going to be giving out liquidity areas. So areas where institutions are going to be looking for liquidity sweeps, which we will teach you in this Discord. And then we're also going to be going over specific things with Bookmap and how I use that in conjunction with Polarity ATI, okay? And there's going to be updates throughout the day, most days when I'm trading, and that's what this section's all about. And every morning that I'm trading, which is most days of the week, we're going to be hopping in this morning hangout voice call, okay, right here, morning hangout voice. I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to go over all this before the market opens. Okay, I'm going to give you the zones, I'm going to give you what I'm watching, why to watch it, trend or regression mode, suggestion on why, okay? And I'm going to do that in here every morning. And then after I do that, you guys are encouraged, extremely encouraged, to stay in this call and trade with each other. Okay, this Discord is meant to be a good community. So you guys are meant to stay in here, talk, share your screens with each other, and trade together. Okay, that's going to really help improve you guys at a fast pace. Okay, so that's this section every morning. Going back to here, we do education meetings. So once per week, we're doing a live education session. It's going to be, 45 minutes to an hour, just depends on the topic. That's going to be in this section, the education session. Okay, and we're going to be going over, some weeks we may go over some Polarity ATI stuff, some weeks we may go over supply and demand more, and some weeks it just, you can vote, right? But remember, this is not specifically a Polarity ATI Discord, okay? This is make you a better trader as a whole. Now there's going to be stuff with Polarity, but it's a big thing as a whole to make you a profitable trader, okay? So again, voice channels, paid members are encouraged to go in the private channel and talk during and before market open. There's also going to be some private videos uploaded in this section. There's going to be a Polarity course. I'm going to put some Polarity stuff in here. There's a full supply and demand course in this section. So you can click these links. So we'll just click on this demand zones one. Click on this. It's going to bring you up. Here's this, okay? You click on that. You have a little 9-minute long video there. And these are all, most of them are about 5 to 15 minutes long. Okay, so those are the whole course is there. Then you also have a premium chat. Okay, this chat is only for the paid members to talk. Okay, there's also a free chat where anyone can talk about stuff, but you're not encouraged to put any premium information in this chat. Okay, because this is for all members. So going back here, that's basically what's included with this Discord. Okay, you can go up, subscribe, and go through the steps it's telling you, and you should automatically get the member role in the Discord. Okay, so you click subscribe, you go through, and you put in your information here, subscribe, you should get the role in the Discord. Okay, so that's how you pay. You get a welcoming page, click the memberships, go to the membership. We have a goals section in the Discord. So again, this is meant to be a good community. Everyone helps each other get better. This is meant for you type your goal in here and we keep it accountable. Okay, we hold you accountable to your goal for trading, and it's going to help everyone, I believe. Okay, a little disclaimer. You can post your testimonials, your profit and losses in here in the testimonials page. We have the polarity settings in here. Little Futures Analytica website referral link. Again, general chat. You also can take advantage of my private sessions. So if you want to learn more and you need help with one-on-one sessions, you can sign up with this link right here. Okay, they're usually, I charge $150 for an hour. Okay, if you are a member, it's $105 for an hour. So you can click this link, brings you right to this page. You can click any of these times, sign up, there you go. We'll have your meeting. Okay, again, daily plan in here every day. You get the supply and demand zones, you get the liquidity areas, and you get my trend or regression suggestion every morning. And we'll also be going over this in the morning hangout before market opens. Okay, I'll be sharing my screen, talking to you guys before the market opens. Okay, supply and demand course in here. There will be some polarity videos in here, premium chat, and that is basically it for the Discord. There will be stuff added. There will be cool things added to the Discord, but it's meant to be a good community where people can build each other up and, you know, learn together and not have to copy each other. That's the key thing. You really don't want to be copying people with trading, because it leads you in a bad direction. You're always going to be needing someone, right? So try this Discord out if you're even curious. There's going to be a lot of good stuff in it, I think. Hopefully you guys will get value, and yeah, click the link in the description to join the Discord. I hope to see you all here. We're starting this week Monday, and we're going to be rolling, so hope to see you all there. Peace.